Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Let's begin our math session. Take out your textbook, all of you, page number 34. In the last class, I told you to complete page number 34, class 3, class 4, class 5, addition part by expanding the number. I hope you did. If not, I'll explain today. Let's do. Okay, start. In the last class, we have expanded class 2 and class 1 strength, and we found the total strength. Like that, in this session also, we will expand the numbers and we will add. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now, here in class 3, there are 14 boys and 15 girls. Okay. Now, expand this 14, then you'll get 110, 4 ones. 14, when you'll expand, you'll get 110, 4 ones. Next, when you'll expand this 15, you'll get 1, 10, 5 ones. I hope you understood. Next, you have to add 2-digit numbers first. Add 10 plus 10, 20. Next, you write 4 as it is in this box and 5 as it is in this box. Now this 20 right here, add 4 and 5. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5 will give us 9. You know 5 is bigger number, 4 is smaller number. Open smaller number fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So when you add 4 and 5 you will get 9. Now tell me when you add 20 and 9 you will get 20 plus 9, 29. 2 tens, 9 ones, 2 tens, 9 ones, 29. 20 plus 9, 29. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now, let's start class 4, boys and girls, addition. So, total strength, how we will find? By adding boy strength and girl strength. Okay, total number of boys 16, total number of girls 14. When you add these girls and boys, you'll get the total number of students. Okay, expand this 16. When you'll expand 16, 110, 6 ones, 110, 4 ones. Okay, 16 you can write 10 plus 6. 14 you can write 10 plus 4. Is that clear? Now, when you add 10 plus 10, you will get 20. First you add 2-digit numbers. 10 is a 2-digit number and 10 is also 2-digit number. Add this 10 plus 10, 20. Addition of 10 and 10 is very easy. So 10 plus 10, 20. Now you write your single digit number, whatever there. So 6 and 4. Now 20 as it is you write. When you add 6 and 4, you'll get 6 after 6 is a bigger number. Keep in your mind. 4 is a smaller number. Open fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So again I got, when I add these 1-digit numbers, I got 2-digit number. So now tell me 20 plus 10. When you add 10 plus 10, you got 20. When you add 10 to 20, you'll get 30. Just you add side. If you have any doubt, directly are unable to add, just you write 1's place number in 1's place, 10's place number in 10's place. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. When you add 1 to any number, you'll get the next number. Okay, when 1 to any number, you'll get the next number of this number. So 2 after number is 3. So here you write 30. Next, children, class 5. Okay, after solving this total strength we will write in that table. So 13, expand 13, 10 plus 3. Okay, why I wrote the 10? Why? Because there are 110. 110 is nothing but 10. 3 ones. 3 ones nothing but 3. Here 2 tens. 2 tens nothing but 2 tens are 20. Here 1 ones. Right here 1. 1 ones are 1. Now you add this 10 and 20. 10 plus 20. What you'll get? 10 plus 20. You got here 30. Next, single digit numbers you write as it is 3, 1. Next, 30 you write here 3 plus 1. When you add 1 to any number, you'll get next number of this. So 3 after number is 4. Now tell me what is the answer? 30 plus 4. 3 tens, 4 ones. 30 is nothing but 3 tens. 4 is nothing but 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. 30 plus 4, 34. So once you turn the page, class 3 strength is 29. Class 4 strength is 30. Class 5 strength is 34. Okay. When you add this strength of boys, total number of boys, you'll get 68. 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 16 plus 13. When you'll add the total number of boys from class 1 to class 5, you will get 68. Okay. When you'll add these all class 1 to class 5 girls, you'll get total number of girls 79. You add and check. Okay. You can add and check. Here I'll show 12, 13 boys, total number of boys, 14, 16, 13. Okay, now you add these all number of boys, you'll get a first. You start from top, you can start from bottom. So when you are adding like this, okay, more than 2 steps are there here, then you have to be little bit careful. Okay, open the finger. 2 after 3 is there. Open the fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Up to here I got 5. Next number is 4. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 after 6 is there. 6 fingers open. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 after 3 is there. 3 fingers open. 15 after 16, 17, 18. So 18 means 2-digit number. So 8 will come in 1's place. 1 will carry forward to 10's place. Is that clear? Okay now? 1 after 1. 1 after 1 slowly you have to add. 2 plus 3 you have to do. Then you'll get 5. 5 plus 4 you have to do. Add 5 plus 4. 9 you will get. 9 plus 6. Okay? When you'll add these two numbers, you'll get the answer, no? That answer you have to add to the next number. When you will add that number, you'll get answer, no? To that answer, again you have to add this number. Again, when you'll add this number, you'll get answer, no? To that answer, you have to add this number. Then at last, you'll get a 2-digit number. Then 1's place number you have to write here. 10's place number you have to carry forward to 10's place. Okay? Next, here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 68. Total number of boys, 68. Let's check. 68. Okay. We'll add now girls. Girls. 14. 15. Class 2. Class 3, 15. Class 4, 14. Class 5, 21. Now I am adding. Okay, children. Now you can start from top, or either you can stop from here, from down. Okay, when you are starting from down onwards, this slow go. You have to go slowly, very carefully. Okay, and when you are starting from top, you have to come slowly from top to bottom. Children, here I started from top. Now here I start from down. Okay, 1 plus 4. Here 4 and 1, which is a small number? 1 is a smaller number. 4 plus 1, 5. And I got 5, no? To that answer, you have to add this number. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 I got. 10 to this number, you have to add it. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15. To that answer, you have to add 4. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19. I got 19. So 9 you have to write in 1's place. 1 you have to carry over to 10's place. So start. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 79. Let's check. 79. Correct? Now you add to get the total strength of the school. When you add total number of boys with total number of girls, you'll get the total number of students present in the school, Kondur school. Okay, when you add these two numbers, you will get the total strength of Kondur school. Okay. Now number of total boys, number of total boys 68, girls 79. Okay, children. Now you know 8 in ones place, 9 in ones place. Every time we have to add ones place digits. So which is the smaller number? 8 is the smaller number. 8 fingers open. So here 9 is there, bigger number. 9 after number onward start. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I got 17. So in this 17, which number is there in ones place? 7. So ones place digit you write in ones place. Tens place you carry forward to tens place. So now you add 1 plus 6. How much? 1 plus 6. When you add 1 to any number, you'll get the next number of that number. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6, you'll get 7. 7 plus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the total strength of Kondur school is 147. The total strength of that school is 147. I hope you understood this addition. Okay, children, regrouping addition is a little bit, you have to be very careful while adding numbers with regrouping. Okay, regrouping is nothing but carry forward. When you'll carry forward tens place number, you have to be very careful. Some children, what they'll do, they'll add only these two numbers. They will add only these two numbers and they'll forget to add this number. Then they'll get wrong answer. So very careful. Here you have to be very careful. When you are adding this first, that's why I'm telling you start counting from this number only. Okay, start with this number, then you'll add these two numbers now. Then you'll get the answer now. To that answer, you have to add this number. Then you'll get the right answer. So my suggestion is to you to start from carry forward number. Is that clear, children? Okay, children. Let's go to the next topic. Okay, here, look at here. Try this bit. I hope you understood this bit. I'll solve this first one question and B, C, D, E, F is your homework today. So I'll explain this A. Okay, try this bit A1 and remaining all after observing this A problem, remaining all bits you have to solve on your own. Is that clear, children? I hope you understood. Let's start. Okay, here first question is, try this page number 34. Okay, try this. Look at your textbook, read the question. Now work out the steps in your mind. Write the answers in the boxes. Just you have to do orally, means you have to work out the steps in your mind. Okay, but now only you observe this bit, no, just it will take time. So no problem, children. After solving 2 or 3 problems, you will add in your mindset only. No problem. First one, A question I'm writing. First bit, A question is 43 plus 25, how much? He's asking us to find out how much you'll get when you add 43 and 25. So first you have to expand this number 43. In 43, how many tens are there? 4 tens. 4 tens is nothing but 40. 5 tens is nothing but 50. 6 tens means 60. 7 tens means 70. Here 4 tens are there, so 40. Here 3 ones are there. So 3 will come. Okay. Now you expand this another one number. 2 tens. Okay. In tens place 2 is there. So 2 tens means 20. In ones place 5 is there. So 5 ones are 5. Now what you have to do? Just you have to put a plus symbol between these two numbers. Is that clear? You have to put plus symbol between these numbers. Just we have to add 43 plus 25. So 43 when you'll expand, you'll get a 40 plus 3 plus you have to put in the middle. Next, when you expand 25, you'll get 20 plus 5. Is that clear? Now, I told you to add 2-digit numbers first. 40 plus 20. 40 plus 20, when you'll add, you'll get the answer. What? 0 plus 0, 0. Is that clear? 0 plus 0, 0. Next. Understood, children? 43, I expanded. When I will expand 43, I got 40 plus 3. When I'll expand 25, I'll get 20 plus 5. Means expanded form. These are expanded form of the 2-digit number. So here we have to add 43 and 25. So just your expanded form numbers you have to add. So 40 plus 3, 20 plus 5. I have written here. So I told you in the previous bit only, first you add 2-digit numbers. Here what are the 2-digit numbers? 40 and 20. Add 40 and 20. When you will add 40 and 20, you will get 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2. 4 is a bigger number, keep in your mind. 2 is a smaller number, open fingers. 4 after 5, 6. So you will get 60 when you will add 40 and 20. Is that clear? Now you write as it is single digit numbers 3 and 5 as it is. Now 60 you write as it is. 3 plus 5 how much? 5 is bigger number, 3 is smaller number. So open 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 you will get. So 60 plus 8, 6 tens, 60 plus 8, 68. 60 plus 8, 68. So when you add 43 and 25, you will get 68. Okay, children, this is method 1 and method 2 is direct addition. Okay, okay. This bit is related to this bit. You can do this bit in this method also. So, children, when you are copying this bit in your classwork, you do this method as well as side you do this method also. This is little bit time taking process and this is this answer when you will solve like this you will get the answer soon. Okay, you had first 10 ones place digits 5 3 which is the smaller number, 3 is the smaller number. So which is the bigger number? Keep in your mindset 5 is the bigger number. 5 after 6 7 8. Is that clear? Now 4 2. 2 is smaller number, so open 2 fingers. 4 after 4 you keep in your mind. 4 after number 5 6. 6 you write in tens place. So when you add 43 and 25 in expanded form method, you will get 68. Or otherwise, when you'll add directly like this, when you'll write tens place numbers in tens place, ones place numbers in ones place, then also you will get same answer. I hope you understood clearly this answer, children. This problem is very easy for you. After observing this bit, try to solve B, C, D, E, F bits in your classwork. Children, I hope you are doing all these bits in your notebook. When I'm explaining, listen carefully. If you did not understand that problem or whatever exercise bits, once again, watch that video. If you will not understood that video, whatever explanation I have given, if you did not understood, once again you watch that video, you will definitely you'll understand, children. Okay, and a very important notice is what? Do these bits in your notebook compulsory. When schools will reopen, your maths teacher will check your class work. So children, don't forget to do your homework, whatever I'm telling you to do. Children, are you understanding? If I'm not sending in My Class Campus app also, I'm sending my message through this video only. Don't wait for My Class Campus homework. Okay, I am sending my message through this video only. So listen to this video carefully, and after watching this video, please note down these bits in your classwork as well. Okay children, I hope you understood, and do this B, C, D, E, F bits in your classwork. So let's continue the topic. Here in the first video, when I begin this chapter, then I explained two-digit addition with carryover. Do you remember? Very easy addition. Okay children? Okay. Here this question you have to read carefully. You'll understood by reading the question only. So carefully look at the table again. The total number of boys in Kondur school 68. Okay, here you see. Okay, already I have explained this. Okay, in your yes, already I have explained the addition of these two-digit numbers. Okay, check once, and that explanation he has given here. So my dear children, once go through this step by step addition. Observe this page activity carefully. Here he explained how to add two-digit number with carry forward. Is that clear? After adding this two number, you will get two-digit number. No, that two-digit number you have to write ones place digit here, and tens place digit you have to carry over to tens place. After carry over to tens place, you have to add these three numbers. Then at last you'll get 147 strength of the school. Okay, now that this total page is the explanation of these two numbers addition. So I hope you will read this bit carefully. So today I'm going to end this session. Children, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.